All right. Uh, so I think this 1 minute time frame and this is gold. So let me take it to a 50 minutes time frame. Most guys, most people that most especially if you take a look, we have a under 50, this is under 50 minutes time frame, and we have a very good support resistance level at this point. So see a very good resistance level here. So it was really good for those who came in at this point. If you actually have this point, it was a really nice. And if you take a look at my morning section when I was running my morning section live, I actually predict this that this uh is going to be there's going to be a pullback at this point because of this fair value gap. Because we expected this is going to be a pullback because of this fair value gap here. Yeah, because of this fair value gap. Let's just go ahead and all right. So we're expecting a sell market down here, but let's check our 5 minutes time frame. It's 5 minutes time frame, still okay. But one thing about this kind of trade is, you know, the market itself will definitely needs liquidity to pull down. So all the stop loss, all the buy stops that are gathering in this up here, all the buy stops that are gathering here will definitely be swept out. Yeah, all the buy stops that are gathering here will definitely be swept out, just as this. So we are actually expecting the market to sweep out all those buy stops, which possibly is definitely gonna take place because the market is looking for a way for people to put in their the market is looking for a way for more buy stops to be accumulated here so that they will rally up all the buy stops and then go to a before coming down and bearish market. So the market is actually waiting for a good reversal here so that they can have a good rally up. That's it. But we just need to be careful in this kind of trade because definitely there might be a shift of liquidity at this point. Although this is a very strong zone, it's a very strong resistance zone. Let's still go ahead and see if we can see any little thing we can trade for. Trade on here, okay. We can see the markets being unpredictable. Let me check this 3 minutes time frame. All right. So here is one thing I want to do here because here's one thing I want to do here. This 3 minutes. You take a look at this candle. If the moment this if this is being swept out, this candle here is being swept out below here, then I'll definitely go and sell at this market. If this one is being swept out, then I will go and sell and I'll have a target. Just as this, but let's just wait and see. If it's not, then I have to wait for the market to give me a pullback. So we're still waiting, just as that, waiting. All right, so it's not trying to break it anytime soon because this was just our target. We are actually aiming and waiting for this market to. All right, so it's not giving that. It's not giving it. So it's trying to break above this other one. So I think we are not going for sale. So it's not giving us what we are waiting for. So all right. So actually, it's trying to take good for a buy. Let me go to 1 minute time frame to see where exactly if this market goes on buy. Exactly. All right. So in this 1 minute time frame, you can see here we have a fair value gap here. There is a fair value gap here, which we are expecting probably this market might is aiming at those points. Probably that's its aim. All right. So let's. So probably it's actually aiming there. Mm, I don't think this market is coming down. Is coming down any soon. I think it's really trying to because you take a look at here. We also have a fair value gap here, which was being tested before the reversal. So we have a fair value gap here. So possibly the market is not coming down any soon. Okay. right? It's a big, very big move here. So we are expecting the market to, but I still want to say that this market is going to go and buy. So it's actually trying to, I think, cover up the fair value gap it has here. That's fair value gap. So then before having a pullback up here, still within. All right. So still expecting this. So something like this, but oh, all right, please, guys. like the video, please go ahead and give it a like for me. Thank you so much, guys. So this is exactly what we're expecting, but we're expecting this market to actually rally down because uh this way the fair value gap we're expecting somewhere here and somewhere around here. Then expecting this market to rally up down here. This is this. Right. So go ahead and place a buy. So we hold it. I'm expecting to place a buy on this point. All right. Please, guys, give a like to the video. Please give a like. Go ahead and give a like to the video. Thank you. All right. So this is it. It's about to step into the fair value gap here. It's about to step into this fair value gap. Then we can now go for a buy. Oh, go. Okay. So the moment once it steps into this fair value gap, I'll definitely go for a buy at this point. So let me go to 15 minutes time frame and otherwise okay. Although most traders you see it this really looks like a very big sell market, but the the market is really trying to trick a whole lot of people into this market. But you might definitely see say this is a buy. Yeah, it's truly sorry, this is a sell, but this is truly a sell market. But the question is, if you take a look at this liquidity gathering here, those buy stops, the market have to take out these buy stops. Yeah, they have to take out these buy stop because they create uh this resistance for you and me to go in to step into the market. So possibly they're actually coming to sweep out this market. I know you don't want to believe, you don't have to believe me, but just watch how they're gonna sweep out this market, this liquidity. All people buy stops that are gatherings here and need to be swept out before we can have a good bearish market. Yeah, before we can have a good bearish market, this place here have to be swept out. There's a lot of traders up there. They're actually aiming at, yeah, this is, it looks like a very big sell. Yeah, it looks like a sell, but believe me, guys, this market have to be swept out. If it doesn't sweep out, then you don't have a sell. If this market doesn't sweep out here, then you don't have a sell. Keep pushing. Alright, so let's go back to 5 minutes time frame. There is a 5 minutes time frame. Take it to 1 minute time frame. so is coming down to tap into this fair value gap. So I just that's just it. I just have to make a very scalping trade because this was the fair value gap I just trade, and this was it. This was the fair value gap I was targeting, just this fair value gap. Because how do I make that trade? I this this candle, it's what prompts me to step into the market. Like if you take a look at it very well, this market, this candlestick here, it's what prompts me to step into the market. So now this candlesticks is like is the one that this candlestick is the one that makes the, I would like call it the sweep of the liquidity. So how do I know that this candlestick was the one that made the sweep of the liquidity? Because this one confirmed us by this being the lowest of the moment. This is the lowest candle of the moment. So this is the lowest of the moment, and this candle breaks the high of the moment. So at this point, I step into the market and then aiming at the fair value gap. So this was the fair value gap I aim at, which just gave me about $400. So just it, uh, it's just a little bit kind of scalping. So if it occurs again, I definitely gonna trade it again over and over and over again. But like I said, it definitely fell at times, but most of the times this really work because this ICT trading, and I make use of ICT, and about this is 75-80% accuracy. I won't stay long for this market, so might definitely close at any time from now. Probably tomorrow we'll be coming out again to make some trade, and you can actually follow me too and make some trade. You can actually do well too, and you can follow me then tomorrow, next tomorrow also. You're definitely gonna learn more about it. Then I go on sell just as this. All right. So yeah, so I go and sell on this, and this is just a little bit going on shorts. Put my stop loss area, and that is just my take profit somewhere. But this is a very kind of scalping. This is my target. I'm targeting this candle. Target this, the head of this candle, and targeting this fair value gap here. Targeting the fair value gap that's here. Just as this. If it breaks above this, then I'm out of the market. If it breaks above this, then I'm out of the market. Yeah, just this. Breaks above this, then I'm out of the market. Just this. All right. So I think I'm okay for today. It's okay for me. $100. That's okay. So I'm done for the market. So today, all right. There's a little bit scalping.